welcome to a new episode of our channel from the Auto Labs India. Since it's a winter season right now here in India, so I would just like to give you a few hacks while driving in a dense fog. Okay, so the first one is always use your fog lamp and never use a high beam. So because when you're using a high beam, the light gets reflected by the water droplets and you are not able to see clearly. So this is what exactly I was talking about regarding the high beams and the fog lamps. Second thing, you should be driving in a proper speed limit because you should maintain a proper gap with the vehicle in front of you so that you are having enough time for the reaction to stop your car and avoid any kind of accident if it may occur. So coming to the third point, you should always use a fog lamp if you're having so, and also don't use your hazard light while driving. Use it while you have parked your car in between the roads so that the ongoing cars can notice that okay, you have stopped over there and they can pass you by safely. And also they will drive your car in a slower limit or never stop your car in between while driving, because the driver behind you may not see that you have stopped the car and he or she may smash you like anything. One more problem that I normally face while driving a car in a foggy weather like this today early in the morning is that there is a kind of fog, the water vapor that settles on your windscreen, and you're not able to see clearly what's in front of you. So to avoid any such kind of circumstance, what you should do, you should either take some kind of silicone gels and put it on your dashboard. That will surely avoid some kind of fog. And the second thing that I would like to suggest you is that while driving, just drop your windows a little bit so that the fresh air can get inside and there will be no such settlement of fog on your windscreen. Okay, so these are the 4 tips that I gave you while driving during the dense fog. And so that's all for this episode. Just keep watching Auto Labs India for some more hacks and some more reviews. Thank you.